Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a reliable base. Switch to the 3D modeling workspace and set a shaded visual style so you see form and depth. Next, orient the UCS to the plane you'll build on. This avoids rotated geometry later. Draw a precise 2D profile using line, rectangle, or circle, and then use BOX or extrude to convert that profile into a solid. You're making tangible volume now, so keep dimensions exact and confirm units. Once you have solids, refine form with tools that add or remove material. Use Pressable for quick face edits, extrude for ribs and slots, and shell to hollow a part. This controls wall thickness. Combine bodies with union or remove volumes with subtract. Intersect gives complex overlaps. Make sure to frequently rotate the model with 3-Dorbit and the view cube, because visual inspection catches misaligned faces. Also use edge fillet and chamfer commands to finish transitions where needed. To finish, clean topology. Apply fillet and chamfer to edges, use solid dit to refine faces, and assign materials and lights for realistic previews. Once done, orbit and inspect every corner at high zoom so gaps or flipped faces are visible. If a solid behaves oddly, run list and check normals, then apply union to merge coincident solids. Use solid dit or the audit and recover routines to fix corrupt geometry. This single troubleshooting step solves most unexpected failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.